plays and misses. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
Edged, but it's trickled away for 4. Unlucky for the bowler.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. He has left that one alone. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, shot, but only a single. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Oh, what a shot that is. He picked the bones out of that and just nailed it down the ground for 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? They have run the first one quick. Chance of a run out, and that's out. Has to walk back to the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. That's well left. Need not play those. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They're calling for two.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Inform fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music. There is a fielder at cover.
Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Bang into the gap for four. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end.
Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back.
What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for six.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
Good leave. There is a fielder at cover.
Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Plays and misses.